Good morning, students. In this session, today we are going to see Term 3, Unit 1, Fractions. Students, listen carefully, make a note of each and every important points in your Maths classwork note. If you have any doubt, make a note of it. The doubts will be clarified on the reopening day. Unit fractions. A fractions which has 1 as a numerator is called a unit fractions. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Here the numerator value is 1 and the denominator value is 2. Here the numerator value is 1 and here the denominator value is 4. Here 1 as a numerator. In this fraction, 1 as a numerator. So it is called a unit fractions. Like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 1 by 2, 4 by 2. Here the denominators are same. So it is called like fractions. Unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Here the denominators are not same. The first fraction denominator is 2 and the second fraction denominator is 8. Here the denominators are not same, so it is called unlike fractions. Improper fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a sum of a whole number and a proper fraction, that is quotient plus remainder by divisor. These are all the topics we have discussed in the previous session with examples. Now let's see the exercise problems based on word problems using addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, multiplication and division of fractions. In the last class, we have discussed about the addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. Now let's see multiplication of fractions. First one, simplify 35 into 3 by 7. Here 35 represent 35 by 1. 35 in the place of numerator and 1 in the place of denominator. Then 3 by 7. 35 by 1 into 3 by 7. To multiply, you have to multiply the numerator and numerator and then denominator and denominator. 35 into 3 is 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. 35 into 3 is 105 by 7. Or else you can directly cancel the number. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Then 5 3s are 15. By cancelling these two numbers, you will get the answer as 15. 7 1s are 7 and 7 15s are 105. This way is very easy to find by cancelling the number by numerator and denominator. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Then 5 3s are 15 and your answer is 15. Now let's solve the second sum. Multiply 7 3 by 4 by 5 1 by 2. First you have to change this into improper fraction. Mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 3 by 4 into 5 1 by 2. To change this improper mixed fraction into improper fraction, first you have to multiply this denominator into whole number. That is 7 into 4 is 28. 28 plus numerator divided by denominator into 5 2s are 10 plus 1 divided by 2. 28 plus 3 is 31 divided by 4 into 10 plus 1 is 11 by 2. Here no cancellations are there. So directly multiply the numerator. 11 1s are 11. 11 3s are 33. 33 plus 1 is 34. 341 by 4 2s are 8. Example 16. Marudu, a milkman, has 4 bottles of milk, each containing 1.5 liters. How much milk does he have in all? See here, the given question is a milkman has 4 bottles, each bottle containing 1.5 liter of milk. It is nothing but one bottle containing 1.5 liters of milk. We have to find it for 4 bottles. Here, one bottle contains 1.5 liter. We have to find it for 4 bottles means what we have to do? Yes, we have to multiply the given number of bottles with 1.5 liter of milk. Let's see. Mardu has 4 bottles. Each bottle contains 1.5 liters of milk. We have to find it for 4 bottles. For that we have to multiply 4 into 1 by 2. First we have to represent this 4 whole number as 4 by 1 into, you have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. First you have to multiply these two terms and you have to add the number, numerator. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. That is 2 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2. 4 by 1 into 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. You have to cancel this numerator and denominator. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So, in 4 bottles, he have 6 liters of milk. He has 6 liters of milk in 4 bottles. Students, is clear, no? First you have to multiply the given number, that is 4 bottles into 1.5 liters of milk. We will get the answer as 6 liters of milk. Now let's see division of fractions. Example 20. Divide 4 1 by 2 by 3 1 by 2. Students, note it carefully. First you have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 1 by 2 divided by 3 1 by 2. You have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. For that, you have to multiply this denominator into whole number and then you have to add with numerator. 2 into 4 plus 1 divided by 2. And then 2 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9 by 2 divided by 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2. As you already know that for division you have to change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then you have to change the second fraction into reciprocal. 7 by 2 means 2 by 7. Students, is clear, no? First you have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then you have to change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. And the second fraction as reciprocal. 7 by 2 means 2 by 7. You have to cancel these two with numerator and denominator. You will get the answer as 9 by 7. Example 10. Kandan shares half piece of a cake between 2 persons. What will be the share of each? See, here the given question is Kandan shares half piece of a cake between 2 persons. You have to find the share of each person. For that you have to divide the given piece of cake with 2 persons. Listen carefully. She shared half cake with 2 persons. That is half divided by 2. 1 by 2 divided by 2 can be written as 2 by 1. As you already know that you have to change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then 2 by 1, the second fraction as reciprocal. 2 by 1 as 1 by 2. And then you have to multiply the numerator and denominator. Numerator and numerator, then denominator and denominator. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. So each will get 1 by 4th piece of a cake. Students, now you all clear know how each person got 1 by 4 pieces of cake? Because Kandan shares half piece of a cake between two persons, that is half divided by 2. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. As you already know that for division you have to change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then the second fraction as reciprocal. 2 by 1 as 1 by 2. As usual, you have to multiply the numerators and denominators. 1 by 1, 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 twos are 4. So, each will got 1 by 4 piece of a cake. Exercise 1.1, 7th sum. Gauri purchased 3 1 by 2 kg of tomatoes, 3 by 4 kg of brinjal and 1 by 4 kg of onion. What is the total weight of the vegetables she bought? Students, here the given question is, Gauri bought 3 1 by 2 kg of tomatoes, 3 by 4 kg of brinjal and 1 by 4 kg of onion. We have to find the total weight of the vegetables. Here the word total represent what? Yes, we have to add the vegetables, given vegetables. 3 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Let's see. Gauri purchased onion is equal to 1 by 4 kg. She purchased 1 by 4 kg and Gauri purchased brinjal is equal to 3 by 4 kg and tomatoes is equal to 3 1 by 2 kg. Students, why here I am written onion as first, brinjal as second and tomatoes as third? Because if you have to add the fractions means the denominator should be same. Here the denominators, both the denominators are same. So first you have to add these two and then you have to add the third one, that is tomatoes. You have to add the third one as tomatoes. First you have to add these two numbers. See, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 1 by 2. First you have these two numbers. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 1 by 2. Here the denominators are same. So we can easily add these two numbers. That is these two fractions. 5 plus 3 equal to, yes, 8 by 4 plus 3 1 by 2 as 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2. Here the denominators are not same. For that you have to find the cross multiplication of these two fractions. First fraction as denominator into numerator, that is 2 into 8 plus 4 into 7 divided by 4 2s are 8. 2 8s are 16 plus 7 4s are 28 divided by 8. 16 plus 28 is 14. Then 2 plus 1 is 4. 44 by 8. We can easily cancel with 4 table. 4 2s are 8. 4 11s are 44. So you will get the answer as 11 by 2. 11 by 2 kg of vegetables. Students, is clear now? See, Gauri purchased onion is equal to 1 by 4 kg. Gauri purchased brinjal is equal to 3 by 4 kg. And Gauri purchased tomatoes equal to 3 1 by 2 kg. Why here I am added these two numbers as first? Because here the denominators are same. So we have to add these two numbers first. For that you have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 1 by 2. Here the denominators are same, no? So we can easily add the numerators. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 8 by 4 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. That is 7 by 2. The mixed fraction of 3 1 by 2. We have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. The improper fraction of 3 1 by 2 is 7 by 2. See, here the denominators are not same. To find the common denominator, we have to find the cross multiplication method. That is, first fraction, first numerator with the second denominator and the second numerator with first denominator. That is 2 into 8 plus 4 into 7. 2 into 8 plus 4 into 7 by 4 2s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 4 into 7 is 28 divided by 8. 16 plus 28 is equal to 44 by 8. We can cancel this fraction by 4 table. 4 2s are 8 and 4 11s are 44. So, Gauri purchased totally 11 by 2 kg of vegetables. Students, keep in mind, here the given question is in the form of mixed fraction. So you have to write this answer is also mixed fraction. The mixed fraction of 11 by 2 is 5 1 by 2. Both the answers are correct. The improper fraction of 5 1 by 2 is 11 by 2 and the mixed fraction of 11 by 2 is 5 1 by 2. Both the answers are correct. Gauri purchased 5 1 by 2 kg of vegetables. 8th question. An oil tin contains 3 by 4 liters of oil, of which 1 by 2 liters of oil is used. How much oil is left over? Here the word left represent what? Yes, subtraction. Here the given question is, an oil tin contains 3 by 4 liters of oil. The total liters of oil is 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 liters of oil is used. You have to find the remaining oil that contains in the oil tin. Let's see. An oil tin contains 3 by 4 liters of oil. In that 1 by 2 liters of oil are used. We have to find the remaining, that is how much oil is left over. For that you have to subtract these two fractions. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Here we have the mixed fraction. So you have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. See, 4 into 3 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 2 2s are 4 and then plus numerator, that is 1. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 divided by 2. 12 plus 3 equal to 15 by 4 minus 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. To subtract these two fractions, the denominators must be same. But here the denominators are not same. The denominators are 4 and 2. to find the common denominator, we have to find the cross multiplication. We have to find the cross multiplication. 15 into 2 minus 4 into 5 divided by 4 2s are 8. 15 into 2 and 2 into 15 is same. 15 2s are 30 minus 4 5s are 20 divided by 4 2s are 8. 30 minus 20 is equal to 10 by 8. We can cancel this fraction into two tables. See, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So, 5 by 4 liters of oil left over. Students, is clear no? In that question, they are asking to find how much oil is left over. Here the oil tin contains total 3 by 4 liters of oil. In that, they used 1 by 2 liter of oil. We have to find how much oil is left over. For that, we have to subtract these two fractions. 3 by 4 minus 2 1 by 2. Here we have mixed fraction. So you have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 15 by 4 minus 5 by 2. But here the denominators are not same. For that you have to find the cross multiplication. 15 into 2 minus 4 into 5 divided by 4 into 2. We will get the answer as 10 by 8. After cancellation, 5 by 4. Therefore, 5 by 4 liters of oil left over. Similarly, for this problem also, the given question is in mixed fraction. So, you have to find for answer also mixed fraction. 5 by 4 as what? Yes, 1 by 4 liter. 1 by 4 or 5 by 4 liters of oil left over. Both the answers are correct. You have to write this answer as mixed fraction because in question it is given in the form of mixed fraction. Students, as you already know how to find improper fraction into mixed fraction. Let's see, if you have any doubt, clarify with this. 4 ones are 4, remainder 1. To find the mixed fraction, you have to write the remainder in numerator and the quotient in the whole number place. Then divisor as denominator. So you will get the answer as 1 by 4 liters of oil. Ninth sum. Nilavan can walk 1 by 2 kilometer in an hour. How much distance will he cover in 1 by 2 hours? For 1 hour he covers 1 by 2 kilometer. We have to find it for 1 by 2 hours. Here the given question is for 1 hour he covers 1 by 2. We have to find it for 1 by 2 hours. Yes, it is multiplication. Because here for 1 hour he covers 1 by 2 kilometer. We have to find it for 1 by 2 hours. For that you have to multiply these two fractions. Here the given question is in the form of mixed fraction. You have to change this into improper fraction. For that you have to multiply denominator into whole number 2 into 4 then plus numerator, that is 1, divided by 2 into 2 3s are 6, that is 2 into 3 plus numerator 1 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 divided by 2 into 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 divided by 2. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 by 2 into 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 2. Here we have no cancellations because in 2 table 9 will not come and in 2 table 7 also will not come. So directly you have to multiply the numerators and denominators. 9 into 7 is 63 divided by 2 2s are 4. 9 7s are 63 and 2 2s are 4. See here the given question is in the form of mixed fraction. So you have to change this improper fraction into mixed fraction. 4 ones are 4, remainder 2. Bring down the number 3. 4 5s are 20, remainder 3. To find the mixed fraction, you have to write the quotient as a whole number, then divisor as denominator and remainder as numerator. So, in 3 1 by 2 hours, he covered 15 3 by 4 kilometer. Students, is clear now? Here, see, here Nilavan covers, in 1 hour he covers 4 1 by 2 kilometer. We have to find it for 3 1 by 2 hours. For that you have to multiply these two fractions. First you have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 9 by 2 into 7 by 2. 9 7s are 63. 2 2s are 4. Here the given question is in the form of mixed fraction. So you have to change this answer also mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction of 63 by 4 is 15 3 by 4. Nilavan covers 15 3 by 4 kilometer in 3.5 hours. 10th sum. Ravi bought a curtain of length 15 3 by 4 meter. If we cut the curtain into small pieces, each of length 2 1 by 4 meter, then how many small curtains will he get? See here the given question is, Ravi bought a curtain of length 15 3 by 4 meter. The total length of the curtain is 15 3 by 4 meter. After that he cut the curtain into small pieces, each of length 2 1 by 4 meter. That is, he divided the total length of the curtain into small pieces. We have to find how many small curtains will he get. See, here Ravi divided the total length of the curtain into small pieces. To find how many small curtains will he get, we have to divide these two fractions. Let's see. 15 3 by 4 divided by 2 1 by 4. Here we have the mixed form of fractions. First we have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. To find the improper fraction, what we have to do? Yes, we have to multiply the denominator and whole number, and then we have to add with numerator. That is 4 into 15 plus 3 divided by denominator 4 divided by, again we have to find the improper fraction. That is denominator into whole number, 4 into 2 plus numerator 1 divided by 4. 4 into 15 is 60 plus 3 divided by 4 divided by 4 2s are 8 plus 1 divided by 4. 60 plus 3 is 63 by 4 divided by 8 plus 1 is 9 by 4. 63 by 4. As you already know that to divide the fraction, first you have to change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then the second fraction as reciprocal. 9 by 4 as 4 by 9. Students, is clear now? To find the division, first you have to change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then the second fraction as reciprocal. 9 by 4 as 4 by 9. Then you have to cancel with 9 table and 4 table. 4 and 4 will cancel. 9 ones are 9. 9 sevens are 63. So you will get the answer as 7. So Ravi will get 7 small curtains. Ravi will get 7 small curtains. Therefore, Ravi will get 7 small curtains. Students, it's clear now why we have to divide these two fractions? Because Ravi divided the total length of the curtain by 2 1 by 2 meter. So we have to divide these two fractions. For that you have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 63 by 4 divided by 9 by 4. To find the division, you have to change this division symbol into multiplication, and then the second fraction as reciprocal. 9 by 4 into 4 by 9. 63 and 9 will be cancelled in 9 table. 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So you will get the answer as 7. Therefore, Ravi will get 7 small curtains. Let's see today's activity. First one, how many 6 are there in 18? Second one, 1 by 3 divided by 5 is equal to what? Divide and tell the answer.